Welcome to the Healthy Screen Habits Podcast. I'm Hillary Wilkinson. Whether you're starting your parenting journey with a newborn or looking to connect with your teen on technology, let's learn some new healthy screen habits together. It's the last day of January, so I'm going to wish you all a very happy new year. I think that still applies for a few more hours at least. It's also a leap year, so anything goes. Leap years seem like they add their own kind of spice to the calendar. This season on Healthy Screen Habits podcast, I'm going to be taking a look at all areas of how this pioneering world of parenting with technology continues to change. As Healthy Screen Habits continues to grow and learn with all of you, we see so many great things happening. Around the country, I am wanting to hand out gold stars to parents who I see choosing to use tech intentionally. On airplanes, they're packing toys, Hot Wheels, coloring pages. I see parents in waiting rooms who are using their phones in the best possible way to connect with their littles after they've run out of their whole bag of tricks. So, do you want to know this recommended trick? I've got it for you. When you have hit the bottom of your bag, use the Photos app on your phone. And shared looking at photos on your phone is a great way to reminisce. So, reminiscence is this great, like dreamy way of remembering the past. And it turns out that reminiscing with kids about happy recollections and retelling family stories, pointing out special friends and family members in those pictures, this is actually the like one of the best types of communications to help children strengthen connections of who they are in the world, as well as increase their vocabulary through storytelling. It harkens back to the days of oral traditions and shared learning. And you can have so many meaningful conversations with this little digital scrapbook that we just carry around in our phone. So you can always access that. Remember, it's how you use tech intentionally with your kids. I am also so delighted to see how many kids are taking charge of their own digital habits and employing, hacks to measure and manage their own digital culture and bring balance to their lives. I'm relieved to hear young adults who are open to being vulnerable and honest with their struggles of these addictive platforms, plus content and streaming. So there is so much growth happening in this digital wellness arena. We at Healthy Screen Habits are speaking and presenting at more schools and districts, and we continue to develop new tools, presentations, stay up on the latest research so you don't have to. If you're interested in having one of us, the Healthy Screen Habits crew, come to your community, please check out the Book a Speaker tab at healthyscreenhabits.org. This season on the podcast, I get to talk to leading brain researchers as well as activists who are coordinating parent movements that keep tech in its lane and teach our kids and families how to create their own healthiest screen habits. So, tune in next Wednesday to listen to Dr. John Hutton. He is a pioneer in the realm of screen overuse and brain development. He and his team published in JAMA, that's the Journal of the American Medical Association, the first studies in the world that used MRIs to quantify relationships between screen overuse and brain structure in preschool age children. I was really fascinated to find out how he did this as well as what he found. And I think you'll really get just so much information and enjoy hearing about this important research. Can't wait to talk to you next week. For more information, you can find us on Instagram and Facebook at Healthy Screen Habits. Make sure to visit our website, healthyscreenhabits.org, where you can subscribe to the show on Apple Podcasts or via RSS, so you'll never miss an episode. It's free, it's fun, and you get a healthy new screen habit each week. While you're at it, if you found value in this show, we'd appreciate you giving us a quick rating. It really does help other people find us and spread the word of healthy screen habits. Or if you'd simply like to tell a friend, we'd love that too. I so appreciate you spending your time with me this week, and I look forward to learning more healthy habits together.